All right, let's go. Home run stretch here. There's the truck up there, and we have to go just beyond the truck to the washout. So you can see another telegraph pole here. You can see my boo-boo on my finger. Oh, and my elbow hurts too. Such a dummy. It's one thing to put one glove on, but I was trying to put both gloves on, and that doesn't work so well, because usually when I just put the one glove on, I use my teeth to get the glove on, but obviously I had a pretty epic fail. So there's Noah. He's probably wondering where the heck I've been. So we're going through this cut. This is the trail that takes you around the washout. Luna's excited to see Noah. So Noah, just wait for me. I got to go up to the washout and then I'll be back in a second. Truck is quite clean after a couple days. So last Saturday and today, or yesterday and today, driving up in the dirty road, especially the Graham Road. Graham Road is just awful. So here you can see some more telegraph poles. And of course there's that spitting again. There's another oh, look at that. I didn't notice this one. I was just about to wipe the lens. Let's wipe the lens. And look at that, we got a marker on this one. I'll zoom in for you if I can. The video, we have a 120 car marker. So again, we're 120 car lengths out of the siding at Quorn. All right, let's go. We're almost done. So here you can see yet another telegraph pole. And so we've arrived at Selwyn Lake. So basically the English River comes into Selwyn Lake and forms the lake. And so what they did, I'll show you the map here momentarily. So what they did was essentially they used these couple islands here to basically form a causeway. Let me give it a wipe here. To get across this part of the lake. You can see the barrier here. And now unfortunately, I believe the year was 2014, so thanks to Aaron and Jeff for this information. There was a beaver dam that let go, and there was a sudden rush of water that took out 130 feet of grade here. And it's never been repaired and likely will never be repaired. So what we're gonna do is, we were here in the summer. Well, actually we were on the other side. We came on this side, but we're on the other side. We brought the drone, and what we did is we recorded a little bit of the washout here. So I'm gonna show that to you. Okay, so hopefully you've enjoyed today's exploration and all of the things that we've seen. Took way longer than I thought it would. We have done this section. So we've done the next section past the washout. We did that a couple weeks ago when we were hanging out at Silver Dollar. So the grade has been done all the way up to Ava Lake, and I hope to do that next section between Ava Lake and Highway 599 in the springtime. So again, saw a lot of great things. We saw 4 trestles, obviously this washout. We saw Quorn Lake, we saw Quorn Station, and a ton of things at Quorn Station. So again, hopefully enjoyed the exploration. So in any case, this is basically it for our major hikes for this year. There's a few little minor things that we have left to do. So in any case, we will be back in the springtime with more hikes and continuing following the line to the left, following the line to the west. So in the meantime, take care.